Dogs, much like humans, can experience emotional ups and downs. But how do you know if your dog is feeling more than just a little blue? If you've noticed changes in your dog's behavior, mood, or overall energy, you might be asking yourself, is my dog depressed? In this video, we're going to explore the symptoms, causes, and treatments for dog depression. We'll help you understand what signs to look out for, what might be triggering these feelings in your furry friend, and most importantly, how you can help them bounce back to their happy, tail-wagging self. Whether you're a new dog owner or have been a pet parent for years, this guide will give you valuable insights to ensure your dog's emotional well-being. Let's start by looking at the symptoms of dog depression. 1. Lethargy and lack of energy. One of the most common signs of depression in dogs is a noticeable drop in energy levels. If your once playful and active dog is suddenly spending most of the day lying down or seems uninterested in activities they used to love, this could be a red flag. Dogs, like humans, can become lethargic when they are feeling depressed, showing little to no enthusiasm for playtime, walks, or even greeting their favorite people. 2. Changes in appetite. Depression can cause significant changes in a dog's eating habits. Some dogs may lose interest in their food altogether, skipping meals or only eating small amounts. Others might develop an increased appetite, using food as a comfort, which can lead to weight gain. Monitoring your dog's eating patterns is crucial, as any sudden change can be a sign of emotional distress. 3. Sleep disturbances. Just like people, dogs with depression can experience changes in their sleep patterns. This could mean sleeping much more than usual or having trouble sleeping altogether. You might notice your dog pacing at night, seeming restless, or being unable to settle down in their usual sleeping spots. 4. Withdrawal and isolation. Dogs are social animals that usually enjoy being around their family members. If your dog starts to isolate themselves, avoiding interaction with you or other pets, it's a sign that something is wrong. They might retreat to a quiet corner of the house, spend less time seeking your attention, or even stop responding to their name when called. 5. Loss of interest in activities. A dog that used to get excited about walks, toys, or car rides might suddenly lose interest in these activities if they are depressed. This lack of enthusiasm is one of the clearest indicators that your dog is not feeling like themselves. Pay attention if your dog no longer comes running when you pick up the leash or seems indifferent to their favorite toys. 6. Excessive licking or chewing. Some dogs exhibit compulsive behaviors like licking or chewing their paws, legs, or other parts of their body when they are depressed. This behavior can be a coping mechanism, similar to how humans might bite their nails or fidget when anxious. Over time, this can lead to sores, infections, or hair loss in the affected areas. 7. Aggression or irritability. If your dog becomes more irritable or even aggressive, especially when they are usually calm and gentle, it might be a sign of depression. This could manifest as growling, snapping, or being unusually possessive of their space or food. Depression can lower a dog's tolerance for stress, leading to these unexpected outbursts. 8. Excessive vocalization. Increased barking, whining, or howling can be a dog's way of expressing that something is wrong. If your dog is more vocal than usual, especially when there's no apparent reason, it could be a sign of emotional distress. This is particularly true if the vocalizations are paired with other symptoms like lethargy or withdrawal. 9. Changes in bathroom habits. Depressed dogs might have accidents in the house, even if they are usually well trained. This could be a result of anxiety, confusion, or just a lack of motivation to go outside. If you notice changes in your dog's bathroom habits, it's important to consider their emotional state as a potential cause. 10. Unexplained physical symptoms. Sometimes, depression in dogs manifests as physical symptoms that don't have a clear medical cause. This can include digestive issues like vomiting or diarrhea, or even physical signs of pain like limping or stiffness. If your vet has ruled out other health conditions, it might be time to consider whether your dog's physical symptoms are linked to their mental health. Now, let's dive into the causes of dog depression. 1. Loss of a companion. The death or separation from a beloved family member or fellow pet can trigger depression in dogs. They may mourn the loss in a way that is similar to human grief, exhibiting signs of sadness, confusion, and withdrawal. 2. Major life changes. Moving to a new home, a significant change in routine, or the arrival of a new baby or pet can all be stressful for a dog. These changes can disrupt their sense of security and lead to feelings of depression as they adjust to the new situation. 3. Lack of social interaction. Dogs are social creatures and can become depressed if they are left alone for long periods without enough interaction. This is particularly common in dogs that are used to having constant companionship and suddenly find themselves alone. 4. Chronic illness or pain. Living with a chronic illness or pain can take a toll on a dog's mental health. If your dog has a condition that causes constant discomfort, they may become withdrawn, less active, and less interested in life. 5. Past trauma or abuse. Dogs that have been rescued from abusive situations or have experienced a traumatic event may be more prone to depression. Their past experiences can lead to ongoing fear, anxiety, and sadness, especially if they are triggered by something in their current environment. 6. Owner's emotional state. Dogs are incredibly perceptive and can pick up on their owner's emotions. If you're going through a tough time, your dog might mirror your feelings and become depressed as well. They sense your stress, sadness, or anxiety and might internalize these emotions, leading to their own emotional decline. 7. Boredom and lack of stimulation. Dogs need mental and physical stimulation to stay happy and healthy. If they are not getting enough exercise, playtime, or mental challenges, they might become bored, which can lead to depression. Providing a stimulating environment is crucial to keeping your dog's spirits up. Finally, let's explore the treatment options for dog depression. 1. Increased physical activity. Regular exercise is one of the best ways to combat depression in dogs. Taking your dog for more frequent walks, playing fetch, or even trying out a new activity like agility training can boost their mood and overall energy levels. Physical activity helps release endorphins, which are natural mood lifters for dogs, just as they are for humans. 2. Enhanced social interaction. Spend more time with your dog to help them feel loved and secure. This could mean more cuddle time, playtime, or simply being present with them. If your dog enjoys the company of other dogs, setting up playdates or trips to the dog park can provide the social interaction they need to lift their spirits. 3. Routine and consistency. Dogs thrive on routine, and establishing a consistent daily schedule can help them feel more secure. Regular feeding times, walks, and play sessions provide structure and predictability, which can reduce anxiety and improve their mood. 4. Mental stimulation. Providing mental stimulation through puzzle toys, training exercises, and new experiences can help alleviate boredom and lift your dog's mood. Teaching your dog new tricks or challenging them with interactive toys can engage their mind and provide a sense of accomplishment. 5. Comfort and security. Ensure your dog has a safe and comfortable space where they can retreat if they are feeling overwhelmed. A cozy bed, favorite blanket, or quiet corner can provide a sense of security. Additionally, using calming aids like pheromone diffusers or anxiety wraps might help some dogs feel more at ease. 6. Veterinary care and medication. If your dog's depression is severe or persists despite your efforts, it's important to consult your veterinarian. They can rule out any underlying medical issues that might be contributing to your dog's depression. In some cases, medication might be prescribed to help manage your dog's symptoms and improve their quality of life. 7. Positive reinforcement. Using positive reinforcement techniques can help rebuild your dog's confidence and reinforce good behavior. Rewarding your dog with treats, praise, or affection when they show signs of engagement or happiness can encourage them to continue these behaviors. 8. Gradual exposure to triggers. If your dog's depression is linked to a specific fear or trauma, gradually exposing them to the trigger in a controlled and positive way can help desensitize them and reduce their anxiety. This should be done carefully and ideally with the guidance of a professional trainer or behaviorist. 9. Professional help. In some cases, working with a professional dog behaviorist or trainer can be invaluable. These experts can provide tailored strategies to help your dog overcome their depression and develop healthier coping mechanisms. Dog depression is a real and serious condition, but with the right care, attention, and treatment, your dog can return to their happy, vibrant self. Remember that you are your dog's best advocate, and being attentive to their emotional needs is just as important as caring for their physical health. By recognizing the symptoms, understanding the causes, and implementing effective treatments, you can help your furry friend lead a joyful and fulfilling life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more insights into dog care and behavior. And remember, a happy dog is a healthy dog.